to my channel. It's Brianna. Today I'm going to be creating a makeup look with only one palette, which is the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH. I'm sure many of you guys have this palette, but if you don't, you could create a look with shadows that are similar to this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and just keep on watching to see what look I come up with. So today I'm going to start off my look with my eyebrows, and then I'm going to do my eyeshadow and then my foundation, just to switch it up a bit and so everything is not just repetitive. Okay, so I filled in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. Now I'm going to conceal my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna start my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape in medium. I want to like switch up this routine. That's the only reason why I'm doing my eyes before. And this also is canceling out my redness, my veins, and it's acting as a primer. Also, I'm sharpening up my brows, which I will show you how I do that in a second with this brush. But right now the brush I'm using is an Eco2's Micro Blending brush. So as you can see, I carved out my eyebrows. I just plucked some of the excess hair that I had. Now we're going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm not going to set the concealer because I'm trying out a new technique that apparently if you don't set the concealer with like translucent powder, the colors are more vibrant. But I am going to set the eyeshadow, I am going to set the concealer with Golden Orchid, I don't know how to say it, this shade right here. And I'm going to use my Soho brush to set my whole eyelid. Did you guys see the new Anastasia eyeshadow palette that's coming out? It's a sultry one. I think I'm going to get it. Also, have you guys seen the new launch for the Desi and Katy collaboration? They're round 2. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. I'm totally getting that eyeshadow palette, and then I think I'm going to get the highlight and maybe some of their lippies. I don't know, maybe everything, maybe even the gloss. They came out with a gloss that's like white like this, but it has cherry reflex. That's how they refer to it. So I think I'm gonna get it. I don't know. Oh my god. So many exciting new things are coming out for like makeup, and I'm getting like so hype about it. But anyway, for this look, we're now gonna go into Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M511. This shade, I'm putting it all the way up to my brow bone as well, but I'm going to keep the burnt orange a little lower. So right now I'm going in with Raw Sienna. I don't have you guys like super zoomed in today because I'm literally just trying out different things today, because I don't want my videos to become like super repetitive, but obviously I want to have like a flow that you know it's like you're watching my video, you know. Now I'm in with burnt orange, and I'm putting that in my crease and my outer corner with the light hand. It's gonna be more blown out. With my Morphe E28, we're gonna go into Real Gar, this shade here, and I'm just gonna concentrate this in the outer corner. It's funny because I have two different like arches of my bone. Like this side of my face is more prominent with my brow bone, so my eyeshadow always looks like I do it differently, and I'm sure to a certain extent I do, but you know, it's pretty much the same technique and it could look so different. So the concealer I'm going to use is my Born This Way in Warm Sand. I just put some concealer on the back of my hand. I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Max Coverage Concealer Brush, which it's just a flat brush. I'm going to cut my crease. You could cut your crease with like a white shadow as well, or like anything that you want. I'm just gonna use concealer. So one eye done. Okay, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It's not perfect, but it wasn't bad. Okay, the cut crease, as you guys can see, is not perfect, but whatever. We're gonna go in with Vermeer. So now we're gonna take this little precise brush, smudger brush. I'm gonna go in with red orc. I think it's something like that. I don't really know how to pronounce words that well. We're gonna take the Soho brush and we're just gonna blend out. Now we're gonna go into Love Letter, which is here. Alright, I think the look took a turn for the best now. It took a turn for the worst. I kind of fixed it, and now it's for the best. So now we're gonna go in with primer. This is a Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. You have to shake this one. And this is like not like any other mattifying primer I use. It's like liquidy, even like when you shake it. But it keeps you really matte. Okay, I know my eyes look kind of messy. This one looks really good and this one is like wonky. But when my eyes are open, it doesn't look as bad, right?
You gotta try new things, even if you're not good at it. I'm not gonna cut creases, but I'm still gonna keep trying because that's the only way that you're gonna get better at something.
For foundation, guess what we're using? Actually, I don't even know if this matches me, so if it doesn't, I'm gonna be really annoyed. But we're gonna use the Fenty Pro Filter in 310 because this is my favorite foundation. Ooh, this looks really light. Freak. I put my foundation, the Fenty one, but it's too light, so I'm gonna have to mix it with my Maybelline 330 foundation, the matte and poreless. Color is so much better. I cannot wait until I'm this shade again so I could use my favorite foundation, but this is one of my favorites as well, so match made in heaven. I'm gonna be the matte queen today. For concealer, I'm just gonna go in with my Warm Sand, Born This Way. Then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe G2 brush. I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And then I'm gonna go in with this. You guys haven't seen it for a while on my channel. It's the Too Faced Perfect. I just stopped using it because I had bought the Hourglass one. And I was like, oh, I've been using the Peach Perfect so long, let me try something different. But the Peach Perfect is really good. It keeps you really matte all day. Just make sure you top off the excess. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier bronzer in number 4 with my Wet n Wild bronzer brush. into the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going to go into Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, and Love Letter. And that is what's going to go on my lower lash line. Now we're going to go into blush. This is my Milani blush in Berry Amore number 3. For highlight, we're going to use my Anastasia Amrezy highlight. As I was putting on my mascara, I got some here and here. Don't mind that for now. I will remove it once it dries. But for lips, we're going to go in with my NYX lip liner in London. I'm going to use the lipstick that was in collaboration with Dose of Colors, Desi and Katy in More Creamer Please. So you guys could leave it like that, which is a matte lip. But I'm going to add my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. The only annoying thing about having like a clear gloss is the doe foot is going to get dirty, so yeah. Okay, so that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys try out this makeup look at home. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!